Hi, it's Richard from GBS. Just doing an update on where we are with the first EV Zero. I'm sure you've been following the build and everything. We're now at the final stages of testing, getting miles on the car, getting it out there, hopefully ready for people to come and test drive and have a go in the car. So it's taken a little bit longer than we initially planned, but we threw all the technology at it. So we've got the fast DC-DC charging, the fast AC charging at home, all the cooling system and everything. There's a full PDM control, so there's no fuses or relays in the car. So we can do all the cool things like the lights can actually come up slowly. So we've added a lot more technology into this. Much of that technology will possibly feed into the IC variant as well. So it's been a really good technology demonstrator and learning exercise, which we've learned a lot as a company, developed a lot, but it's all starting to come together now. So for those of you that missed the first video, a bit about the background and the spec of the car. We've done our own battery box and batteries, so we've got 56 kilowatt hours of battery. We're running the Tesla small Model S motor, which is a 300 horsepower unit in its standard form. There's a little bit of scope there if we want more, but I don't think we will for a start. And then all the power electronics, chargers and everything are sort of off-the-shelf ones that we've specified for the car and then adapted to suit. And then it's a dedicated chassis for the EV platform that we can offer for the self-build market, and then we'll look to do the factory builds in that as things progress. Some of the technology we've done, we've gone for a digital dash that's all CAN linked to the main PDM battery controller. It's also got the capability to run 4G in it, so we could actually do telemetry from the car and stuff. Whether we'll go that far, but we wanted to put that in. We've got the drive in the centre, so that will select the forward neutral drive. We've got different drive modes, so how much regen we want, acceleration, traction. We're all playing with now to get that refinement in there, because we've got probably an excess of power at lower speed to get it so it's drivable. And then, like I say, it's all PDM controlled. There's a switch pad in there for all the lighting and everything. Another interesting technology that we've adopted within the car, we've been working with a company, Q-Flow, which is a spin-off out of Cambridge University, on a nano fibre technology, which we've actually embedded within the seat. So we've got a hard composite seat that's heated. We can control that heat, and we've actually got it zoned as well, so it gives you that comfort across your body where you need it. So it was a bit of a proof of concept in the car, demonstrating their technology. So it's been a really interesting journey doing the EV. We've tried to do what the big OE manufacturers have done, and as a small company in a relatively small shed in Nottinghamshire, we've put a lot of engineering technology has gone into this. We've learned a hell of a lot as a company, which will potentially stand us well in the future if it indeed goes this way, or if not, we can say we've done it and we can evaluate them side by side and say, is it real? Is it going to work or not? You're welcome to come and have a look at the car. We'll be doing test drives with it as soon as we're up and running. Hopefully within the next month now, we should have it available for test drives. Also, the spin-off technologies from this that we've learned going into other vehicles, other projects and stuff, like we said about the PDM, offering that into the normal IC car and that. So it's been, all in all, a really good project for the company, and the whole team involved in that. We've learned a lot, gained a lot of skill, a lot of technology, and anyone interested, come and have a look.